Welcome to Lesson 2 in Investing 101. We're going to be talking about why you should invest in the stock market, in assets, in anything that is going to help you grow your money over time. All right, by the end of this lesson, I want you to be able to understand a compelling reason or multiple compelling reasons to choose to invest your money and how investing can help you achieve your financial goals. All right. First, we're going to talk about wealth accumulation. All right. Investing is a powerful tool for accumulating wealth over time. And hopefully you will potentially outpace the growth of a savings account. Now, I say hopefully because there's no guarantees in investing. But if you look at history and the historical returns of investable assets and markets and stocks and real estate, you will definitely outpace the rate of a savings account. I want you to think about some of the most famous investors and how individuals have built substantial amounts of wealth through investing. All right. Another reason to invest is financial security. Investing can contribute to your feeling and your understanding of financial security. You will be able to create a passive income source, which will be absolutely valuable in retirement. But as we all want some level of financial freedom, you still need an income. So how are you going to get income without working? Well, you have to do the work today to set up that passive income source for tomorrow. And of course, financial security comes with building a financial safety net. All right, we want a safety net for our investments. We want a safety net for our life. So risk management in your investments and risk management in your life. All right. Inflation protection is another great reason to invest. All right. What is inflation? Well, inflation is the general rising of prices over time and the need to keep your purchasing power the same. You need to employ some alternative extra method to do that. So investing helps you maintain the purchasing power that you have. If you have $10 and you can go to Subway and purchase a sandwich, chips, and a drink, in 5 years, you may not be able to do that with the same $10. You'll need $13. Well, where did that other $3 come from? Well, you either work for it and then add it to it, take it from your savings, or you invested that $10 and over the same period that price went up, your value went up. So you can now purchase that $13 lunch the same way you purchased the $10 lunch, all right? So investing can definitely act as a hedge against inflation because what you're looking to do is outpace inflation with your investment returns, all right? And also another reason to invest is financial goals. I want you to identify your financial goals. We're going to talk to each other about our goals, buying a home, sending your kids to college, retiring comfortably, or simply gaining financial freedom and independence. I want you to understand how investing can help you work toward achieving these goals, certainly more effectively than relying solely on savings. Because if you're simply saving the money, that means you're working for every dollar that you get and that you will have in the future. It has no way of earning more money. So you rarely are going to find a career or opportunity that's going to allow you to make so much money that you don't have to ever work. But if you invest the money that you make, then that money can also work for you simultaneously. And ultimately, as you see the compounding of your interest and of your returns, you will then make enough money and have enough money to be independent, certainly from a financial perspective. So I want to also lastly talk about compounding, which I just mentioned. I want you to think about what compounding can do in your life and for your investment portfolio. I want you to think about how it can magnify and amplify the growth of your invested funds over time and how it can be used to help you maintain purchasing power, but also gain financial freedom. So guys, that is the lesson for today. That is lesson 2. And I want you to understand a couple of things where we're going to go over some case studies on exactly how compounding works, some case studies on successful individuals as they invest, and we're going to go through some exercises and some activities on goal setting, take a look at inflation and how it impacts investment portfolios as well as your everyday life, and again, some case studies on people who have achieved financial security and financial independence through strategic investing. All right, so check the description below. I'm going to leave some suggestions for articles and videos that you can watch, books you can read, that you can understand how to apply these principles to your everyday life. All right, thank you again for tuning in. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I want you to check the description for any links that might be relevant to what we talked about today, and to like and subscribe to the video if you're watching this on YouTube. If you're watching this through our courses, I'm happy you subscribed and purchased a course, and stay tuned. We're going to be moving into lesson 3 in just a moment. All right, thank you again. I'll talk to you soon.